Hi, I am Tanmay from Lakshya Chandigarh. I reside in Paonta Sahib in Himachal Pradesh. Being a small town guy, I never thought that I could clear JEE Advanced. I never had such dreams. But when I came to Lakshya, teachers encouraged me. I got a good environment, a healthy environment, and that made me think that I could clear JEE, which I was able to make it. Like, it's not about how much you study. You should study effectively, and also you should balance your studies with your fun and all, because only studying makes you dull and you don't know about you forget about personality development and all, which is also very efficient. So we should just study effectively, and we should seek help from our teachers, from our parents, and we should discuss everything with our friends and parents so that we are able to make a good journey. The major points were the Robomate, and I personally think that the major was Arohan, that is organized by Acharya Mitra, who is not only a guru but also a friend who helps you to come out of every situation in your life. Either it is counseling or it is a bad rank or anything. He helps you in every stage of your life. On personal front, I think like I have developed my personality, and now I am a better human being than I was in my class 10th. Now I know what I have to do, how I have to do, and what effectively or what exactly I can do to achieve my goal. Yeah, I scored an All India rank 918 in JEE Mains 2019 and 1829 rank in JEE Advanced 2019.